Hello, everyone. And the wait is over. We all have joined here for one wonderful session today on quantitative aptitude. As promised, we'll be taking you through LCM HCF and some other topics which will be of choice to all of you. Let me know if you can hear me. I have some problem with the camera. Hence, I'm coming only with audio and I'm trying something new for the first time wherein I'm joining only through audio, not through the video. Let me know in your chat if you can hear me properly. Ji, good evening. Looks like people can hear me. Yes, I can hear you well. Thank you so much for letting me know. I have some more people. We have some more people joining. A lot of messages are coming. People are coming, and this is audible. Thank you so much, Sneha. Thank you so much, Shutosh, for letting me know. What I will do before we start, and the people are joining, probably another 2 minutes. Personal messages are coming. We all are waiting and we all are joining. Wonderful. Thank you so much for letting me know. तो दोस्तों करते क्या हैं कि we will talk about the topic which we are going to speak today and what is the importance of that whenever we talk about LCM HCF. LCM HCF is used a lot when we talk about speed mathematics, when we talk about mathematics where the questions are to be solved within some time. We do not have much time to interact or to utilize during the examination. Then these LCM HCF tricks. LCM, anyways, we know what is that. LCM, least common multiple. What is LCM? If we talk about LCM, we already know LCM is least common multiple. So the people who understand mathematics are what is big in that. It is least common and it is that means what is the least number which is common in all the numbers? Suppose 2, 4, 8. These three numbers is there. What is the least common multiple of all those three? True. That is right. 3 we talk about 12, we talk about 8, is the LCM. So we know the process to find any LCM is, suppose 2, 4, 8 are three numbers and we have to find the LCM of 2, 4, 8. What we do is we write 2, 4, 8, big L, we use it, divided, write 1 times 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, once again 2 times, we write this is 1 as 1, 2 2 1 ja 2, so 1, and 2 times 2. And our LCM is written as, so LCM is written as, this is the number, this is the number, and this is the number. The product, the common multiple of all the numbers are is going to be F, isn't it? Least common multiple. The number which is the least can be multiplied by all three number is your least common multiple. So this number 8 is the number which is the smallest number, which is common multiplier of 2, 4, and 8. This is the concept of LCM. Similarly, HCF, highest common factor. Highest common. So we know what is that the number which can divide all the three numbers. Suppose we have to find HCF of 20, 10, and 15. So what is that number which is that highest number which is common for all three numbers, which is the factor of all three, the highest number which is the factor of that all three. So again, what will we do? We will use the same long L method, whatever you said, 20, 10, and 15. And what we do here, we find the HCF of that, and we do not multiply this remaining part which is at the last. Probably what we will do, suppose 5 times, so 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, and we will look for anything which can divide it. So what we got is, this can divide these two, but it can divide, 2 can divide only 4 and 2 what 3. So this we do not do, and what we do is, this is the biggest number, 5 is the biggest number which can divide all 20, 10 and 15, hence 5 is a common factor. So this is the concept which I just wanted to talk to you all before I start. I'm sure most of you already know this concept. If the concept is known and you guys are very confident about how to find the LCM and HCF of the numbers, then here comes the actual learning. Till here, we know mathematics. Now, what we are going to learn is magical mathematics. And what is that magical mathematics? I'm talking about what you are going to learn now is going to be magical mathematics. If you look at the name itself, mathematics, it is nothing but math e matics. So instead of maths e magic we are going to do. Okay, so are you guys ready to learn something which we are going to I'm going to teach, or are you guys am I audible enough and you guys all are set, all ready to learn the tips and tricks of LCM HCF? If you take a minute of time to find the LCM or HCF of a number by long L method or factorization method, I am here to teach you something different. I will reduce your time by minimum 50%. If you take a minute, then you will do this in 30 seconds. If you take 2 minutes of time to find the LCM or HCF of some certain numbers, then you can find the LCM and HCF of the number within a minute. Minimum guarantee is reduction of time to calculate all those in 50%, reduction of 50% minimum time. Are you guys ready? Just post the emojis, post the message, and let me know if all of us are ready to learn the magic of mathematics, and which we say as LCM and HCF of the number. And we will also talk about the implementation of this, where these LCM and HCF are going to be used. Thank you so much, Dipanshu. Dipanshu is telling, yes, we are ready. So what are we waiting for? I was just waiting for your response. And let's start the session, which is on LCM and HCF, LCM of natural numbers, any natural number. We will talk about what is natural number. All the counting numbers are called natural number. And that is what we will find the value of LCM. If the question is find LCM of number 8, number 12, number 6, number 4, and the options are 24, 30, 26, 28. So traditional method first we will do. We have to find the LCM of, dear friends, 8, 12, 6, and 4. So traditional method is 12, 6, and 4. We find the factor of those numbers, and finding the factor are 2 3 ways are there. So what we can do is, okay, one way is write the factor of the number, or go with a big long L method. And what we do is 2 4 ja 2 6 ja 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. Again, go with 2, go with the prime numbers, smaller numbers and all to divide. 2 2 ja 2 3 ja 3 and 1. Now you can see the number, this has come as 1, this is 2, these two are prime numbers and you cannot divide it by anyone. 3 are also prime number, however 3 is common between these three. So 3 times if you do this, 2 becomes 2, 3 becomes 1, 3 becomes 1, and this 1 becomes 1. Can we have any number which can divide any of these number? No, other than 1, nothing can be can divide these numbers. So what is the LCM? LCM is going to be 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 1, which is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. That's all, which is going to be 2 2 ja 4 and 3 2 ja 6. So 4 into 6 is going to be 24, and the answer is 24. If you see 24, and how to cross check whether the answer is right or wrong, how you will do, suppose the number is 24. So if 24 is the number, all these four numbers which was there in the question must divide or must be the factor of 24. So 24 must be divided by 8, 12, 6 and 4. 8 is 24, 12 2 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24, 4 6 ja 24. So yes, 24 is the right answer. That is the least common multiple of 8, 12, 6 and 4. Suppose I have taken 2 minutes of time. In case I've taken 2 minutes of time to find the LCM of number 8, 12, 6 and 4. There is a shortcut that I will teach you now. If you already know, yes, people have already told, yes, they have found the answer. Umesh has got 24. Wonderful, Umesh. Rohit has got the answer as 24. Wonderful. And the students are telling yes, the learners are telling yes. They are ready to learn the new concept, how to find the LCM of a number in the speedy method. Okay, let me tell you how do you find the, in a faster way, the LCM of a number. Okay, okay. So on your screen, it goes this way. Okay, so what you will do, if you want to know how do we do this thing with speed mathematics, or I say it expert method. Okay, expert method, which is also speed, with speed. How do we do that? Let me tell you how do we do that. Okay, if you can look at the screen, give me a moment. My pen is getting stuck. So what we will do first, we will arrange the number in ascending order. What we will do, we will arrange the number in the ascending order. How do we write the numbers in the ascending order? So ascending order numbers are written wherein your number is, the smallest number comes the first of all the numbers. What you will do, the number LCM, we have to find the LCM of 8, 12, 6 and 4, right? LCM of 8, 12, 6 and 4. What we will do first, we will write the number in the ascending order. That means we will try to find the number as, the smallest number is 4, so 4, then number 6, then number 8, and the number 12, which is highest. So the numbers are arranged in ascending order. And then what we will do, on the right hand side, from the right hand side, we will do divisibility check. Divisibility check, why we will do, we'll try to see whether the smaller number, which is the biggest one, 12. So from right hand side we are starting and we are seeing whether 8 can divide 12. What is the LCM of 8 and 12? We are checking. What we are trying to check, instead of finding the LCM of all four numbers, what we will do, we'll try to find the LCM of biggest two number. Which are the biggest two number? 8 and 12 are the biggest two number. So what we will do, 8 1 ja 8. What we will write? Why will write 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 8 1 ja 8. Whether this is there? No. 8 2 ja 16. Now it is more than 12. So what we will do? No, 8 cannot divide 12. So okay, what we will do in that case, this is what I am telling you. How do we do this? Now what we will do? Come the other way and see whether 12 can be divided by 8. You'll tell no, sir. Then 12 can be divided by 8. No. 12 into 2. Find the multiple of 12. 12 into 2 is 24. Can 8 divide 24? 8 3 are 24. Yes, sir. So what is the LCM of 8 and 12? We got the LCM of 8 and 12 as 8 and 12 as 24, my dear friends. How do we get it? I'll delete all and I will show you once again. If you have to find the LCM of, the question is find the LCM of 8, 12, 6 and 4. What do you do? Step 1, you write the number in the ascending order, 8, 12, my dear friend. From the right hand side, the top two number, check between these two numbers whether this number can divide 12 or not. Whether it can divide 12? No. So 12 is not divisible. So 12 is not the LCM of the number. Now 12 into 2, the next number 24, whether it can divide 24? Yes. What is the LCM of 8 and 24? 24 is the LCM of 8 and 24. Now what we will do, we have understood between these two numbers 24 is the LCM. Now we will check whether 6 can divide 24? Yes, 4 times. Whether 4 can divide 24? Yes, 6 times. So 24 is your LCM. Hope you have got the answer. 24 we are getting as LCM without finding the factor of the number, without using long L method. And how we are finding? Just by arranging the number in the ascending order and checking the biggest two number, what is the LCM of that, and checking the number which we are getting, or the LCM of the biggest two number we are getting, the largest two number we are getting, whether that is the LCM of other numbers or not. Okay, if you have got it, wonderful. If you have not, nothing to worry. Why nothing to worry? Why? Because this is just the starting. If you are thinking you have not got it, another example we will show, and we will show you how to find the LCM of other numbers. Suppose question number 2. In this case, we have four numbers. What we have? Four numbers: 12, 6, 24, and 8. Find the LCM of that. So what we will do? We will arrange the number. And we will write all four numbers how? In ascending order, right? What we will do? We will write in ascending order. So the smallest number is 6, next is 8, followed by 12, and my dear friend 24. These are four numbers. These are the four numbers, right? Okay. Having these four numbers, what we will do? We will go. Uh, Akshita is telling 24 again. Mr. Sayyad is telling ki, let me know if sound is coming to all of you, if I'm audible properly, or do I need to do some check? Check has to be done. Am I audible properly to all of you? Please let me know. Okay, students are telling 24 is again the answer. Wonderful, wonderful, guys. Wonderful, wonderful. Too good, too good. Thank you so much. Okay, Dhanush has told yes, audible. Thank you so much, Dhanush. Okay, so what I'm doing again, what we will do: 6, 8, 12, and 24. Which is the biggest number? 24. I'll check whether 24 is the LCM of 12 and 24. What is the LCM of 12 and 24? So 24 is the LCM. Why? Because 12 2 ja 24. Okay, 12 2 ja 24. Now 8 3 ja 24 and 6 4 ja 24. So 24 is the right answer. LCM of this number is 24. Now see if any other question. Okay, third question: find the LCM of 8, 12, 15, 30, 45, 60. If you look at the question, it is already in ascending order, right? So what I will do, I will not waste the time. 8, 12, 15, 30, 45, and 60. We'll check between 45 and 60. What is the LCM of 45, 60? Now 45 can divide 60. Can 60 be divided by 45? No. So what we will do? 60 cannot be divided. What is next? 62 ja 120. Whether 120 can be divided by 45 or not. The question is whether 120 could be divided by 45 or not. You will tell, sir, 41, 45 1 ja 45, 45 2 ja 90, 45 3 ja 135, right? So it is not. So what we will do? This is 60 into 1. This is 60 into 2, 60 into 1. is not the LCM. Okay, 60 into 2, 120 is not the LCM. Now what we will do, 60 into 3, 180. So 180, if you see, 45 into 4 is 180. Now you will tell, sir, how do I remember 45 into 4? This is all number game. You will remember all those when you start practicing. Otherwise, the crux is 45 into 2 was 90 and 90 into 2 was 180, right? So this is what is aptitude. Your mind should work, my dear friend. 45 multiplied by 4 is difficult, but 45 into 2 is 90, that we know. 45 into 2 is 90, we know, and into 2 is 180. So 180 is the LCM of these two numbers. Between 45 and 60, 180 is the LCM, right? 180 is the LCM. Now 180 is the LCM between 45 and 60, and whether 60 can divide 180. Yes, the LCM is 180 again. 15 can divide. Yes, 15 12 is 180. Again, you will have to be pro in that. 15 into 12 will be 180. Another way of doing how it is, the 5 3 ja sir, and this is nothing but 4 3 ja sir, right? So what it becomes, this is 9 and this is 20, 29 ja 180. How you will get to know? By doing mathematics. If you do, it is coming in my mind that 15 into 12 is 180, and these two numbers, three numbers, this kind of numbers will be in your mind if you start working on aptitude. So 15 also, for 15, yes, 180 is 180 is visible. Now 12, 15 ja 180, no problem. 8, you will have to check with 8, and what you will get to know is whether can we divide again by that or not. That you will have to see. You will say, sir, everything is done. Now 8, if you divide, it is not. Why? Because 180 divided by 8, normally I see the number and I get it. 8 2 ja 16 and 20 is the number, so it cannot be divided completely, isn't it? So what you will have to do, till here, if it was the question was 12 15 30 45 and 60, find the LCM of that. The answer was 180. When 8 is also added, my dear friend, 180 is not the answer. And what will be the answer for this? 180 into 2 you do, so 360. Now check whether 8 can divide 360 or not. If yes, that will be the answer. If no, that will not be the answer. Got it? So 180, few people have told yes, 180 is the answer, which is not the answer. And why it is not the answer? This was one of the question which has come in bank paper, bank, and that too SBI PO question. This is, and why they have given this question? Why? Because 120 is one of the answer, and fataks people will tell 120. Okay, options are wrong. I feel the options are wrong here. One of the option should have been more than this. Now let's see, 836, only for your benefit. Yes, why 360 should be one of the option and 360 should be the answer. Okay, 8 4 ja 32, correct. 48 5 ja 40, got it. So 45 times, yes. So 360 is the right answer. 360 is the right answer, not 180. Very good. Akshita has told 360. Lakshmi has told 360. I'm really happy to see students are learning and they're getting right answers. So that is what I was telling the dear friends. What has to be remembered in aptitude is speed thrills, but it kills, isn't it? Speed thrills, but it kills. So 180 was the right answer if only LCM of 12, 15, 30, 45, and 60 was to be found. However, we have seen as 8 was added, 360 is the right answer. Hope everybody has understood. If yes, we'll go to the next question. Okay, so we have found and we have understood how to find the LCM of the numbers, right? Least common multiple of the numbers. And believe me, guys, if you know this trick, you can do these questions very easily. Otherwise, it is going to be a little difficult. If you have 5 numbers, 10 numbers whose LCM you have to find out, most of the time, I'm telling 90% of the time, within last 3 number, the biggest two and the next one, if you find the LCM of the first 3 number, means biggest 3 numbers, it will give you the right answer of LCM. You need not to find all, 90% of the time. Only when you go and sit for IES, IPS, CAT, gate examination and all, then you will find, yeah, questions were a little more tricky, where a lot of calculation was supposed to be done, right? With this, how to find the HCF of the numbers. HCF of the number is, again, how do you find the HCF of the number? The traditional method is find the factor of 27. The factor of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, so 27 is written as this. Now, how 18 is written? 18 is 2 into 9. 9 is nothing but 3 into 3, right? Okay. Now, how 36 is written? 36 can be written as 2. 2 into 18 is 36. 18 is nothing but 3. 6 ja, so 2, 3. So this becomes 6 and this becomes 6. 6 is the 36, right? Now, how to find the HCF? FCF is nothing but highest common factor. Find the factors which are common. Find the factors which are common in all three numbers. Let's see whether it is 2. These two are common in this, whether it has 3. No. So leave it. That means 2 is not there. Now 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. Very good. 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. Anything which is there, 3 is left here, the first number. Whether we have 3 in second one, no. So leave it. 3 3s are 9. HCF is nothing but HCF of 27, 18, and 36 is nothing but 9, right? This is the process. This is the traditional process. What we will do, we will go with speed mathematics, and we will learn the trick, and we will try to find. What we have done in the last question was we wrote all the number in ascending order, right? What we will do here also, we'll write the numbers in ascending order: 18, 27, and 36. And when we have to find the HCF of the numbers, HCF of the numbers, which is 18, 27, and 36, what we will do, instead of starting from the right hand side, the biggest number, we'll start from the smallest number and find the HCF of 18 and 27. How to find the HCF? The lowest number, or the highest common factor, which is between 18 and 27. You will see 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Now this is also 9 into 3. So 9 is common, right? 9 into 3, 9 into 7. So 9 is common. So HCF is 9. Now if you see 9 4 ja 36, yes. So the answer is 9. Got it? We'll do some more questions, we will do, and you will understand how do we do that. Wonderful. So the answers are coming, and the answers are: Lakshmi has given, Rohit has given, Akshita has given, Danush has given, Sunita has given the right answer, and most of you would have given the right answer. HCF of the number is 9. Okay, now these are some of the numbers: 36, 12, 48, and 6. Now the number is already in mostly, no, it is not in ascending or descending order, it is in different order. So what we will do, first step will be write the number in ascending or descending order, to be precise, ascending order. Why? Because remember only one thing, we are going to do with ascending order, and from right hand side we will left hand side we will start for HCF. Why? Because 6, 12, 36, 48, find the LCM of this. So HCF of this, HCF is going to be 6. Okay, so only 6. So the number could not be more than 6. Why? Because the smallest number is 6. Okay, now check. 6 6 ja, 6 8 ja. So 6 is the right answer. Got it? Okay. One known number is, find the HCF of 360 and 132, right? 360 and 132. It is one of the big number, very big number, which whose HCF has to be found. What we can do, find the, for this what you can do, you cannot find the number by any other method other than finding the factors. So what we can do, the highest number. So this can be written as 180 into 2, right? Okay, 180 into 2. Now it can also be written as 90 into 4, right? Okay, so all those things you can try doing. However, it will take a lot of time to find the highest factor, which is common between 360 and 132. So what I say, go to the options and try to find the wrong options. 15, maybe 15 can divide or cannot divide, may divide 360 or may not. Why? Because 5 ones are the number which is ending with 5. If you multiply with any number, the number should end with 5 or 0, right? So as it is ending with 0, so it may or may not. But if you check 132, 15 can never divide 132 for sure. We are sure. So 15 cannot be the answer. Okay. Now 13. 13, if you see 13, so this number or this number, 13. Okay, let's try 132. Can 13 divide 132? No. Why? Because 13 ones are 13 and only 2 is left out. So leave it this also. Now let's go to this. Okay, and let's go to this as well. So what you will see, 16 if you try, 16 if you try, then 16, so to get 0, 360 has 0, right? 360 is ending with 0. So always 5, 15, 16 should be multiplied with any number which is ending with 5. So that 6 5s are 0. So it can be 0 or 15 or 25, all those numbers. So 16 5s, if you do, it is 80, right? 16 5s is 80. And again, if you see, 16 5s are 80 and 84 ja 360. No, 80 can divide. Okay, 0 gone, 0 gone. Whether 8 can divide 36, you will see no. No, sir, it cannot. So only 12 is the right option. So that also you can do. So what has happened after seeing this number, I immediately understood these cannot be the number, this cannot be the number, this cannot be the number. Also, if you see 12, and what is good for speed mathematics, you should know the multiplication, the table of 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table till 20 into 20. Recommended is 20 into 20, not in 20 into 10. Most of the time what we know is 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, all those we know, and 20 ones are 20, 22s are 40. We do not go after 20 into 10. It is recommended for speed mathematics, you should know 20 into 20, this table, right? So then what will happen, you will remember 12 table, which is 12 into 11 is 132, right? If you know 12 till 12 into 11, 12 into 12 is 144. You will remember all this. So 132 is already there, and 12 threes are 36. So 12 should be the number which can divide 360 and 132. Also, if you get to know that 12 is the number, then 16 cannot be the number. That is for sure. Why? Because 12, we are finding what we are finding, highest common factor, and you will see 16 cannot divide all those numbers. So hope you are understanding all those. These are certain tricks and tips of quantitative aptitude. The moment you start doing all those, you will get to know, okay, how to find. Yes, Ananya has got, Dhanush has got, Rohit has got, Monica has got, Dhanya has got, wonderful, Lakshmi has got. So most of you again have got the right answer, and which is nothing but 12, right? The bigger numbers, and then you can do. Now if we get into this, was a very small thing of use of aptitude, wherein we have just found how to find the LCM of the number or HCF of the number in speedy method. दोस्तों अब करना क्या है ना, if you are looking for, Rohit is telling, but 12 is not divided by 12. 12 into 11 is 132, my dear friend Rohit. Rohit, if you know the table of 12 or 11, try this. See, 12 ones are 12, which is 1, ending with, in hand you have 1, and 12 ones are 12 plus 1 is 20, right? So 12 into 11 is, Dhanush, right? 12 into 11 is 132. Got it? Maybe somewhere you would have gone somewhere, थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई होगी. Not a problem. But anyways, good that you are trying and you are telling it is not happening. Even if you tell it is right or wrong, I take it very positively. Why? Because I have come here to teach you something. You have come here to learn something, and we both are there for a purpose, which is learning of the student. Okay. So Rohit is also telling, yes, it is coming. No problem. Somewhere, yeah, it happens. It happens. A mistake or something which has to happen. I have done a lot of mistakes. If you are not doing mistake, then only thing, those two things are there. Either you are God और यू हैव नेवर ट्राइड समथिंग न्यू. दोस्तों नया कुछ ट्राई करेंगे तो गलतियां तो होंगी ही. it is 100% कि आप किसी से सीख नहीं सकते हो. Either you, what you will have to do, you just copy from the book, then you will not do the mistake, then you do not learn. What you should do is you should learn from the book, you read the book, apply the brain, right? चलो इसको आगे बढ़ाते हैं. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू एलसीएम ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. फ्रैक्शन का एलसीएम कैसे निकालते हैं. एलसीएम ऑफ फ्रैक्शन इज समथिंग विच टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. तो क्या होता है फटाफट मैं बताता हूं एंड आई विल टेल यू द शॉर्टकट ऑफ फाइंडिंग ऑल दोस. तो दोस्तों फटाफट जुड़ जाइए स्क्रीन पे और तैयार हो जाइए समथिंग न्यू टू लर्न. फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ. द क्वेश्चन इज find the LCM of 2 by 5, 3 by 15, 6 by 25. We have to find the LCM of these three numbers. Okay, so anytime you get the fraction which will be the part of LCM in the question paper, you will have to find and which is the number, right? Which is the number which is the LCM of all those numbers. तो एक चीज तो दोस्त है क्या है LCM of fraction. You remember this one, whenever you have to find the LCM of the fraction, the LCM will be equal to LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. Now here what is numerator and denominator? My dear friend, when I'm writing 5 by 6, this is called numerator. So the number which is on the upper hand side or at the top of the fraction is numerator, and which is there bottom which is dividing the number in the fraction is called denominator, right? So if you know this, how to find the LCM of the number in fraction, so you will have to find the LCM of numerator and find the HCF of the denominator. Suppose we have understood that, let's see how to find the LCM of 2 by 5, 3 by 15, 6 by 25. So that is nothing but that will be equal to LCM of 2, 3 and 6, 2, 3 and 6 divided by HCF of 5, 15 and 25. So what we will do by speed mathematics, we will not find the LCM of that. What is the LCM? 6 is the LCM of these two, and we will see whether 6 is LCM of these two. So yes, so top it is 6, and what we will do from the left hand side, we will start from here we have started, and here we will start from this. What is the highest common factor? 5, and whether 5 is the highest common factor of 25? Yes. So 6 by 5 is the right answer, which is number A, right? Option A, 6 by 5. One more thing, what you can do is eliminate the wrong answers. How you will do? You have to find the LCM of what, my dear friend? 2 by 5, 3 by 15 and 6 by 25. अगर तीनों नंबर का दोस्तों LCM निकालना है, क्या करेंगे? सिंपल सा बात है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द LCM ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर का दोस्त HCF निकालना है. HCF निकालना है तो मतलब क्या होगा? छोटा नंबर होगा, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर है, राइट? सो द फैक्टर ऑफ 5 and 15 is 5 and 5 and 25 is 5. सो हमारे ऑप्शन इतने होंगे ना, ऑप्शंस कैन बी दिस और दिस ओनली. This cannot be there, this cannot be there. Why? Because it has a denominator ending with 9, तो होगा ही नहीं. It does not have any denominator, तो होगा ही नहीं. Out of these only we have to find. Now you see, don't find the LCM of 2, 3, 6. What I am telling is, if the option is 6 by 5 and 12 by 5. Now whether it is LCM, least common between these two, whether 6 is least? No. What we are trying? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. So 6 and 12, if you divide it, so 6 by 5 is the right answer. This is another aptitude application and all. When you come after some time, you will be able to understand all those. Let's go to the next question. The question is, find the LCM of. दोस्तों क्या करना है? LCM निकालना है किसका? LCM we have to find out 4 by 9, 6 by 21. What we will do? LCM of these two guys, LCM of 4 and 6. What is that? The bigger number is 6. 4 cannot divide 6. So 6 into 2 is 12. So the number is 12. And what is the HCF of this? 3, 3 ja 9, 3, 7 ja, so 3. So 12 by 3 is the right answer. So 12 by 3 you write, otherwise write 4, right? 12 by 3 is nothing but 4. Option D is the right answer, right? If you have understood this, this is a question to be solved for all of you. Please solve this question and let me know what is the LCM of. Now you let me know what will be the LCM of, what will be the LCM of very big number, which is 27 by 50, 9 by 20, and 6 by 25. What is the LCM? Find the LCM and let me know what will be the LCM of 27 by 15, 9 by 20, and 6 by 25. Last 30 seconds to find the LCM of 27 by 50, 9 by 20, and 6 by 25. फटाफट बताइए क्या होगा लॉसो। इसको बोलते हैं लॉसो हिंदी में, लघुत्तम समावर्त ऑफ एलसीएम ऑफ। बहुत बढ़िया, Dhanush has given the answer. Dhanush has given the answer. Wonderful. Let's see. Dhanush has given the answer and whether it is right or wrong. No problem. For the attempt which Dhanush has told, this is you are getting the clap from me. Let's see whether it is the right answer or wrong answer. I really do not know. I'll have to find out and then tell you. However, what I feel is my senses are telling the answer is wrong. Why? Why? Dhanush, what has to happen? Fraction, when the numbers are in fraction and you have to find the LCM of the number, what we should do is find the LCM of the numerator. You have to find the LCM of what, my dear friend? 27, 9, and 6. So that will be always 27 or more than that. एक concept तो बना ही दो. One concept. Why? Because least common multiple of the numbers. So 27 or above. Similarly, when we have to find out the HCF of 50, 20, 25, it will be smallest number or less than that. That is 25, or the smallest number here is 20, 20 or the factor of 20. Got it? Yes. Looks like Akshita is telling ki the answer is 54 by 4, and she is asking whether it is right or not. Akshita, I really do not know, but I'm clapping for your attempt as well, and I will solve the question and then I will do the question. Why? Because this is one of the questions just like that I gave it to you, and let's find out if this is the right answer. Okay, दोस्तों क्या करना है? What I told you people was finding the LCM of a number which is fraction. What we will have to do? Find the LCM of the numerator. Numerator is 27, 9, and 6, and find the HCF of denominator. Denominator is 50, 20, 25. What I am doing, I am rewriting the number in ascending order or descending order. It is already in descending order, so no problem, let it be. Okay, chalo, theek hai. As I have told you, I can write in ascending order only. Okay, and this is your HCF 20, 25, and 50. अब क्या करेंगे दोस्त? Finding the LCM. Finding the LCM, we will try what is the LCM of 9 and 7. 27 is the LCM of 9 and 27, right? Now, what is the LCM of these two? So 27 is not the LCM. Why? Because 6 4 are 24, but it is not dividing 27 completely. So multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 means 54, right? 54. Now, if you see 9 6 are 54, so yes, we have got the LCM of the number as 54. 54 is the LCM of all the numbers. Okay, that we got. Now find the HCF of the other number, right? HCF of the number. Okay, HCF of number. Now what we will do from here, we will start. What is the HCF? Which is the number, highest common number which can divide 20 and 25. So 5 4 and 5 5 is a prime number. So now because this is five fives are five and four are not common in these two. So five is the highest common factor between 20 25. Now five can divide 10 as well. So 54 by 5 is the right answer. It cannot be divided. So 54 by 5 is the right answer. So those people who have got 54 by 5, you clap yourself for yourself as well. Self applaud. Okay, Rohit has given the answer. Akshita had asked the answer for the first time. Yes. Monica has given the answer. Wow. Dhanush has given the answer 54 by 5. Wow. Dhanush also has understood and he has given the answer immediately. Thank you so much, guys. I'm really happy the way you guys are learning. This is what is the implementation of LCM HCF shortcut method. I will take you through for another 10 minutes and then we will wind up today's session. One more topic which is there in LCM, which will come in the question paper, is how to find the LCM of the numbers which are in decimal numbers, right? This is one of the question which is for you. Okay, see this question very quickly. I'll not find the answer. However, what I will do is I'll give you the trick how to find the right answer. I'll give you a trick how to find the right answer, because the options are very close. If you see the options which they have given is, they have given 143 by 3, 140 by 3, 141 by 3, and 144 by 3. So out of that, one answer has to be there which is divisible by 3, right? So what we will do, LCM of, we have to find which all number, 2, 4, 5, and 7. However, HCF we will not find. Why? Because HCF has to be 3. Anyways, all the numbers has got 3. So do not find the HCF of the number. Okay. Now, LCM of all those. You see one thing. You see one thing. What is that? LCM of the number, which is, what is LCM? Least common multiple. So multiple. The number which is there, the LCM has to be the multiple of 2, 4, 5, and 7, isn't it? Now if you look at this question, what you will see, it is multiple of 2 and 5 both. When it is a multiple of 2 and 5, then it becomes the multiple of 10. Any number, suppose 4 into 10, it is 40. 100 into 10, it is 1000. When it is 12 into 10, it is 12, 120, 1 2 3 4 into 10, 1 2 3 4. So what you will see is, if the number is multiplied by 10, it ends with 0. That means the unit digit of the number has to be 0. It is a rule. So we can identify that in this question. If you see, this is the crux. 2 is also there, 5 is also there, and it is the multiple of 2 and 5 which is ending with 10. So only one option which you have in the question is 140 divided by 3, none other than that. Hope you understood this. What I'm trying to say, these all 140 options you see, 143, 140, 141, 144. But as the numbers are, it is the LCM of 2 4 5 7. The number has to be the LCM of 2 and 5 also, which is the multiple of 2 and 5. The number will always end with 0. That is why only one option is there. Remaining all are the wrong options. So we need not to find the answer of this question at all. Looking at the question, we need not to find the answer of this. Please let me know if you have understood this concept and if you have liked the concept which I have taught. Why? Because I have spent 2 minutes of your quality time. So let me know if you have understood what I was trying to tell you. And this is what is called aptitude, my dear friend. It is not about finding the answer. Finding the answer anybody can do. By practicing you become expert, that is for sure. But aptitude is when your presence of mind is there, when you start applying your mind because of practice. Out of practice you start applying your mind, which you would have not seen in the book, which you would have not been taught by the faculties. That is what is something called aptitude, right? So let me know if you are very fast, very fast. Come online, write in the comment box, use emojis to let me know if you liked what came to my mind. Did you feel, yes, this is what is called aptitude? Okay, yes. Thank you so much for the responses. Lovely. Your comments are always lovely. It motivates us to the core. My dear friends, what I will do is I'll take you to the last topic from this topic, HCF and LCM, LCM and HCF, where we will try to find the LCM and HCF of the numbers which are decimal number, which are ending with decimal, right? Wonderful. Thank you so much for your lovely comments and emojis. Okay, HCM of fractions. Okay, so what we can do if the number is written, suppose, suppose, okay, what I will do, um, numbers which are, okay, ignore this. The question is something like this. The question is, suppose 1.2, find the LCM of it. The question is, find the LCM of 1.2 comma 1.5 comma 5. Okay, what is the LCM of that? So how to find? What we will do, fatafat, what we will write it as, what we will do is we'll write it as, we will multiply the numbers by 10, and it will become 1.2 will become 12, 1.5 will become 15, and 5 will become 50. We'll try to find the LCM of, what we will do, we'll try to find the LCM of 12, 15, and 50. 12, 15, and 50. Now, find the LCM of 12, 15, and 50. If you see the LCM of 12, 15, 12, 15, and 50, what is the LCM of these two? These two are divided by 5. 5 3 ja 3 is a number, here 5. So the LCM, you will see 50 is the LCM, no. 50 into 2, 100 is the LCM, no. So what you will see is 200 is the LCM, no. 300 will be the LCM, yes. 300 will be the LCM. Why? Because 15 2 ja 30, so 20 times, and 56 ja, okay. So nothing else is the common. So between these two, 300 is the LCM. Now 12, if you try to divide 300, you will see 12 2 ja 24, 665 times, right? So 24 times, 25 times 12 is again 300. So 300 is going to be the LCM of these two numbers. 300 is going to be the LCM of all three numbers. So whether your answer is 300, whether answer is 300, so no, answer is not 300. How to find the LCM of the number? LCM you have found as 300. What we will do? So the LCM of the number will be equal to 300, as we have multiplied by 100 divided by 100. Okay, so 30 is going to be the LCM of all three numbers. That means LCM of 1.2, 1.5, and 5 is going to be what, my dear friend? It is going to be 30, right? 30. I'll give you another example where we will have to find the LCM of, what we have to find is, we have to find the LCM of, mm, 1.2, 0.246. Okay, so in the last question it was after decimal only one number was there. Here after decimal two digits are there. So what we will do, multiply by 100, so that you get this as 120. When you multiply 1.2 by 100, 120, this becomes 24, this becomes 600, my dear friend. Okay, now try to see whether these two numbers can divide or not, whether 600 is the LCM. You will see yes, 600 is the LCM. What is the crux? If you see that 600, for getting 600, 24, you see 24 is 4 into 6. So 6 into 100 is this, and 24 into 25 into 4 is 100. That is why I have understood immediately. I'm telling you the crux, whether 24 can divide 600 or not. What I am doing, how I am telling yes, because if you write 24, you will go 4 into 6 times. 6 anyways can divide 600, right? How many times? 100 times. Whether 100 4 can divide this 100 or not? Yes, 25 times. That is why I told 24 can divide 600. This is what is another aptitude. After doing a lot of practice, you will get to know 24 how many times is going to be 24 how many times is going to be 600, right? Now 12, whether 120 can divide 600 to, yes, 12 5 are 60, so okay, 5 times, so 600 is the answer. So the LCM of the number is 600, right? LCM is going to be 600, but the answer is not going to be 600. What is the answer? As we have multiplied by 100, divide the answer by 100, so 6 is the right answer. Got it? The LCM of 1.2, 0.24 and 6 is going to be 6, is going to be 6. Got it? So this is what is the learning. Sachin is telling I am a new student. Not at all a problem, Mr. Sachin. This video can be played, replayed. You can watch the video. We have taken, this is the second session. That's all. We have started last week on Friday, and every Friday we are coming at 8 o'clock. And between 8 to 9 or max 9:30, we are teaching. As this topic LCM HCF, if you would have seen, dear friends, dear students, all I'm telling to all, if you look at LCM HCF, it looks very easy for us finding the LCM of the number. However, in the question paper, you will not be asked the same question, right? And please ignore the red part. The question was wrong, so kindly ignore that question. For what we are trying to do is we were trying to find out the LCM of a number from the question which I have given, right? So we have done decimal number LCM, finding the number LCM of the decimal number. Before that, we did fraction numbers which ending with fraction. We have to find the speedy method to find the LCM and HCF of a number. Similarly, if the question is, by chance the question is what is the HCF, I will also teach you the HCF, how to find the HCF. Okay, the question is, suppose question is how do you find the HCF of two numbers? Suppose 6.16 is one number, and 13 is another number. Okay, what is the HCF of that? So what we will do, we will similarly multiply the numbers by 100. Multiply the numbers by 100, we get 616. What becomes? It becomes 616, and the second number becomes 1300. What we have to find out? Highest common factor. So we will try to find the factor of the number. If you see the factor of the number, it is nothing but 2 into 4 into blah 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 blah. If you see this one, it is nothing but 100 into 13, right? And 100 into 13, 1300, right? So 100 can be rewritten as this is the prime number, right? Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, okay, 13 into 100, 100 can be again written as 100 can be written as 5 into 20, 20 can be written as 5 into 4, right? Okay. These are the numbers. Now if you look at 616, 616, whether it can be divided by 13, you just see the factors, whether it can be divided by 13. So you will see ki 13 1 ja 13, 13 4 ja, right? So you will see no, it cannot be divided by 13. 5, any number which is divisible by any number which is the multiple of 5 should end with 0 or 5 only. 5 1 ja 5, so ending with 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, right? So ending with 5 or 0. So okay, the number is not ending, so not the case, not the case, not the case. So what is the highest common factor? It is going to be only 4. Here also going to be 4. So highest common factor is 4. So what we will check, whether 4 can divide this number or not. Otherwise, so 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, yes. 616, 4 times you will see. 4 1 ja 4, yes. 21, 4 5 ja 21, and 16 4 times. Got it? So that is what 4 and 4 is common. So the HCF of these two number is going to be 4. Your aptitude will tell yes, it is 4. How? Why? Because we have just found the factor of right hand side, not finding the factor of left hand side. Why? Because it is going to be complicated. We need not to. Right? So 4. So the what is the answer? HCF is not 4. What is the answer? HCF is going to be equal to, what is the HCF going to be equal to 4? We have multiplied the number by 100. So this time you divide the number by 100, which is 0.04 is the right answer. Got it? So this is the way you can find the answer. Anup Tiwari is asking if there is a doubt. Please tell me, what is your doubt, Anup? Please tell me, what is your doubt? Write your doubt. I should be able to help you with that. So hope you people have understood how to find the LCM of the number, how to find the HCF of a number, how to find the LCM and HCF of fractions, and also how to, okay, HCF of fraction we did not see, right? HCF of fractional number we did not see. I'll show you that as well. If you have to find the HCF of any number which is in fraction, what you can do is, HCF of fraction. Okay, LCM of okay, numbers were there. HCF of fraction. Yeah, HCF of fraction. Suppose this question also I'll find out. HCF of fraction. HCF, the formula of HCF of numerator divided by denominator is nothing but it is equal to HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. Got it? So this is what is the formula. Using this formula, you can find out HCF of denominator. So in this case, suppose this is the question. What we will do, we'll find the HCF of 2, 12, and 5, and what we will do, LCM of 9, 21, and 63. If you see, we need not to find. Anyways, this is 63 only. LCM is going to be 63. However, we need not to find. Why? Because if you see in all the answers, you have at the bottom already denominator is given as 63. So you just find the HCF of the number, that is more than sufficient. And what you will see is, what is the HCF? Highest common factor of all three number is going to be only 1, right? So why? Because this is prime number, this is prime number, so highest common factor is going to be 1. So here it should have been 1 by 63, not 3 by 63. Okay, 1 by 63 is the right answer. Okay, what we can do is probably this question again. We can see from where we can find the HCF of a number. Okay, 1 by 63 option is given here, right? So maybe it has got misplaced here and there. It has got misplaced. The options are misplaced. In this again, I feel 4 by 9, 10 by 21, 20 by 63. We have to find the HCF of these three numbers, right, guys? So what you will do, दोस्तों करेंगे क्या? We'll find the HCF of 4, 10, 20. We'll find the LCM of 9, 21, 63, right? Okay. So what we will do, HCF of these three numbers, whether 4 can divide 2, so no. What is the HCF? 2 is the HCF. 2 can divide 20, yes, 2 is the HCF. So on the top it is 2, and on bottom what you have? On bottom what you have? The LCM of the number, the highest two numbers. This is 63, yes. 9 7 just 63. So the LCM is this. So 2 by 63 is the right answer, which is D. Option D, 2 by 63 is the right answer. Okay. So hope you people have understood. This is all about LCM and HCF. There are uses of LCM HCF, which I will tell you when I will start averages. In averages, we have properties of LCM HCF, which we are going to use to give a lot of answers. Yes, Ananya is right. Ananya has got the answer as 2 by 63. Very rightly said, Ananya. Thank you so much for that. And that's all for the evening, dear friends. And I hope we were able to do the justice of teaching and learning lowest common multiple and highest common factor, right? If you like it, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do remember this training has come free of cost to you through B Coder Technologies Private Limited, Quantic Group and Bhu Gaurav, right? So every Friday we are going to join you people here, and we will see to that we all join, we all learn something new every Friday, right? Any question if you have, please ask, and we will be winding up the session now. Yeah, if you have any question, please do ask. We'll wind up. So Bhu Gaurav Global and B Coder jointly presents this session free of cost to you on Aptitude every Friday between 8 to 9 p.m. If you do not have any doubt to ask, then that's all for the day. That's all for the evening. I wish you all the best for the rest of the evening, and see you again next weekend. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Have a great day.